Greetings. I thought I'd take time to make a little short video for you today. I didn't know if I was going to have time to make any videos this week, but it looks like I might have a little bit of time that I wasn't expecting to have. So let's get started. First of all, this tree was at the hotel we stayed at this weekend, and I was going to take some pictures of some other flowers and plants, but I never got around to it. It's called a Wych Elm, W-Y-C-H, elm, and you just saw other names for it there too. I thought it was quite pretty. That's why I took a picture of it. Plus I didn't know what it was, and I had to use my Picture It app. Well, in my garden we have, oh, let me stop for a second here. Okay, I thought that was pretty, but I can't tell what it is in the photo. I think this is pretty. I hope you like it. And here we have some cosmos and some daisies. A better view of it. And my petunias. And my cucumbers are looking good. And snapdragons. More snapdragons. And I thought these were really pretty too. Oh, these are my calendulas, and the light, the way the light was shining on them made it look all washed out on the camera, but they were really quite brilliant yellow and orange. And this is a zinnia, and again, the light is just not good on it. It's all washed out. It was pretty though. I wish it showed up good. And all of these zinnias actually showed up. They got a little more shade there. I picked a whole bunch of calendula flowers and trimmed my basil. I know some people call it basil. Depends on where you live as to what its name is. But the calendula flowers I had a whole bunch of them. So those will be added to my stash of calendula flowers that are drying, so that I can make salve and various other things with them. Well, again, that wasn't a very long video, and I didn't really teach you much of anything. It was just one of those videos that I wanted to make just so that I'm communicating with my YouTube friends in some manner or another, even if it's a little short video. Just showing some things that are in my garden. We were gone all weekend, but we're home now. So I really enjoy my little garden. And even when I'm gone, it does fine, because it waters automatically, and a neighbor is watching out to make sure everything's okay. Oh, you see my new scarf? It's got stars and stripes on it. I like that. I'm very patriotic. Well, that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do that if you'd like to. And hit that like button and the notification bell. You know, all those things everyone tells you at the end of every video. It's true. It does help our videos because more people see it, and hopefully I get more subscribers. That would be nice. But whatever. It be what it be. It is what it is. Well, I so appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching this video. And have a marvelous day. May the good Lord richly bless you until I see you again on the next video. Darlene, from Darlene's Garden, saying bye for now.